In today's video, I'll show you how to set working hours in Slack. A simple way to manage notifications and create clear boundaries between work time and personal time. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app. If you have multiple workspaces, select the one you want to configure by clicking Launch Slack. Don't have the app? No problem. You can use Slack directly in your browser. Once inside, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where you can adjust all sorts of settings to make Slack fit your workflow. Next, go to the Notifications section. Here, you will find options to control when and how Slack sends alerts. Scroll down to the part that allows you to set notification preferences. This is where you can define your working hours by specifying the start and end times when you want to receive notifications. Once set, Slack will only send alerts during your designated hours, allowing you to disconnect outside of work and focus on personal time. And that's it. Setting working hours in Slack is a quick tweak that can greatly improve your productivity and work-life balance. Thanks for watching and happy slacking.